Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Jessica. So what we're going to do is look at a chart together that I marked up, something very simple. If you already registered for my free course and you've gone through the videos and practiced some of the homework, you would understand what I'm going over. So if you don't, go ahead and look in the comment section below and the description section below. You'll see the link for my free training so that you can understand how to, or get an idea of how to read charts. So we're looking at GBPJPY. And as we can see at the moment, we drew a trend line to recognize a trend, which was bullish and uptrend. The market was unable to create a higher high. So you can see right here was unable to do that. And most people would have expected a retest of this trend line. But the third push was unable to respect the trend line. It was a little bit stronger than expected. So it broke out. It then retested the trend line and previous market structure, which is a good indication of a move down, which means a bearish move down, a sell opportunity. So if you watched my free course, or if you are in the free course, you would see how to look for an entry to take advantage of a trade like this. So now the next step is we need to see if it's going to break and retest for continuation to market structure, or when London session opens, there's a possibility of a manipulation, and it actually could try to do maybe a double retest here or a bigger retest before it goes down. So just make sure you don't get caught up in those traps. Wait for confirmations. The London session here will open shortly, so that's something to keep an eye out for. So if you found value in this video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to take advantage of the free course, the link is below in the description box. Just go ahead and set up your account and you'll be good to go. Happy trading.